When we talk about Trump's plan to remove the Department of Education, it's not just policy talk. It's a direct threat to the foundation of public schooling and higher education in America. Let's outline what would actually happen if this plan goes through. Number one, the Department of Education provides billions in federal funding to public schools and universities. Without it, we could see massive budget cuts, leaving schools scrambling to fill the gap. This could mean fewer resources, outdated textbooks, and reduced extracurricular programs. Two, programs under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, which ensure students with disabilities receive appropriate education, would face jeopardy. Without federal oversight, states might not have the funding or incentive to maintain these crucial services. Three, schools in lower income areas rely heavily on federal support to bridge funding gaps. Without this, educational inequality would deepen, widening the gap between affluent and struggling communities. 4. Federal student loan programs could be dismantled or transferred to private entities, making college less accessible for millions. For students and families already struggling with tuition costs, this shift could mean higher interest rates and fewer protections. 5. The Department of Education helps set baseline educational standards to ensure quality across the United States. Removing it could lead to inconsistent state curricula and disparities in what children learn from one state to another. And then here's my final note on this. The removal of the Department of Education would ripple through every classroom and every lecture hall, impacting teachers, students, and families the hardest. Now more than ever, we need to understand the consequences and raise our voices for our future.